Igama lami ngoNono Sigasa, ngihlala khona la eRedgate, ngihlala nabantu engisebenza nabo eMine abafundisa ngeHIV and AIDS. Ngisebenza negroup yamantombazana eminyakeni from ku-10 to 15. Igroup le ngiqale this year late May ngoba kutheni ukuthi ama-group amaningi into ze-HIV esikhathini samanje zi-involve abantu abadala and abanandaba nabantwana like young girls because nakhulu base-riskini ukuthola HIV.
My friend with my friend is still my friend, my friend, my friend, my friend, my friend, my friend.
I-cousin yami yang abuser for 3 years and azange ngakhona ukukhuluma so kulapho ngathola khona ukuthi ngi-HIV after eza kimi azongitshela ukuthi lokho akenzile wakenza ngenhloso so bekukuspreada i-virus. Abantu engisebenza nabo abadala eMine baninzi kakhulu ngithola bona abantu abadala esikhathini esiningi yibe ngibaniki workshop. Kakhulu ama-issues engikhuluma ngawo i-attitude, i-fear and i-stigma. Namhlanje sokhuluma nge-attitude efacwayo actually men abane-attitude towards women and the HIV. Abo baba banayo attitude mawufaka ikondom uzokutshela ukuthi hey wena uyakheberesha or awungithembi hey in so njoba sazi vele ukuthi ama-condom ayakhishwa wathola ukuthi wahamba la ngaphansi people bawapompa and ba-decorate ngawo yini into esingayenza mhlawumbe
unama right wakho ukumtshela ukuthi uma ungafuna ukusebenzisa ikondom then no condom no thola.
Ngicela usebenzise ikondom uthi why ufuna ukusebenzisa ikondom you end up beating me for that.
Yeah wena kubalekile ukuthi ubatshele because wena uthi wena uma ngabe uphuma la emayini usushona ekhaya uthi wena ufuna ukulala nami ngaphandle kwekondom kanti la emayini kade wena ulala nabantu besifazane wena HIV positive mase ufika kumina usuthi asingayisebenzisi ikondom uthi yini lapho wena.
But akuthi amadoda amaningi abangafuni condom yilabo nalabo let's say abangazazi i-status sabo or let's say i-denial umuntu wazi i-status sakhe afuna ukuspraya i-virus athi uzofa nabaningi.
Ukuphumela kwami ngokuba lesbian beku-97 mabaya ema-clubs khona labo baba bababhekile bese baba rape because bathi bayitabane basho njalo bese baba rape bathi bafuna ukubalungisa bafuna ukubona na ukuthi ayingeni na lento leyo so ukwenza lokho kukhosa into eningi emphakathini inzondo kithi abantu abagay and ne misunderstanding phakathi kwe community and the gay people. Into emele siyenze thina bomama ngeke sikhona ukuyenza lokho sisodwa. Sinida i-commitment yabo bobaba. Siyanida ukuthi nabo bazi involve kuma HIV and AIDS activities.
Bitra mina Dzunisani Rivombo ni tirhela Engender Health leswi va nge NGO. Program ya hina hi vitana Men as Partners. Organization ya hina yi ringeta ku hlanganisa vavanuna na vafana na swifanyetana ku ri hi fanele hi lwisa ku tshikelela vanhu va xisati. Hi fanele hi lwisana na HIV and AIDS. Hi fanele hi promota leswi va nge hi xilungu i gender equality. Thank you very much for coming. amamkela ku ta vulavula hi ti-issue ta gender namuntlha hi ta vulavula hi timhaka to tala to hambanahambana, so feel free if aningizwa speak in your own language, tsotsital whatever.
Amadoda abaningi bathi bona ngeke badle isweet elisepaketini, meaning ngeke badle ibanana elenzeni elivalekile, kumele livule qala.
Sure.
Yeah, amadoda afuna ukusebenzisa ama-condom because you have to prove to him ukuthi uyamtrusta. If awufuna nisebenzisa i-condom, uzoloku kubuza ukuthi yini awusangithembi na, or wena you are not being honest with me, or khona omunye umuntu ozwana naye mangekho, maybe you sleep around or something. And that is why it makes it even difficult for us, because men are the most people about initiator things relationship.
May twisisa njani rape?
Rape occurs mostly because people just feel like they are powerful and they want to be in control of that relationship, whereby a husband rapes his wife because he paid lobola. I mean, I don't know about how you feel, guys, but according to my values, that's totally uncalled for and it's wrong.
Mina ngibona ukuthi like i-rape isuka ngendlela like ezukuthi abochiri like mabagcoke like icepizana ama-3 centimeter like yabo into ezinjalo, like bahamba ebusuku mabayojiva into ezinjalo, and as ama-out like babona kahle ukuthi lo mntwana lo shwela kabi inhle kudlala ngemizwa yethu into ezinjalo yabo. This why manje bagcina manje sebagcina baya rape into ezinjalo yabo.
Mina I don't think kunomuntu onelungelo lokurape omunye umuntu, whether ugcokeni. If it's a case ukuthi ugcoka isiketi esincane, abantwana banabo ma 6 months, usuke akuhehe ngani ke ukuthi uzomrape. I think umuntu orapeayo umuntu okhohlakele and akadeserve ukuhlala nabanye abantu.
Siyafunda kaningi ukuthi abo sisi abangama lesbians banokurage. Esikuzwayo ukuthi barage because amajita athi sifuna ukumfixa abe right abo cherry angabozenza something else. How does that affect you? What do you say? Where do you stand?
I just want to put it straight with us in lento lezi ama gays, ma lesbians bayalayeka bafile into lezi baba rape ngoba ndayidingile mina ngibona ukuhlanya wa uzoba indoda mara uzozenza umfazi for mina ukuhlanya. So ba-right baloku ba-rapiwa, so labantu laba rape mabahambi bayorape bona ama-gays nama-lesbians kilifasi labona.
Everything is based on choice. It depends ukuthi wena ma umuntu ufunani yabo. Well, umuntu oyi-gay or oyi-lesbian uyazidecide yabona, and if so decided when ukuthi ufuna ukuba ileyo nto leyo into ekujabulisayo in life yabona, and you know ukuthi uzoyiphila ngaleyo ndlela leyo for the rest of your life, I think you should do it yabo.
Tell me, in terms of your relationships, has something changed because of things you learn from men as partners?
And then into sengifundile ukuthi akumelanga ngiphile ngama society expectations. I must make my own values nama qualities I'm in life in order for me to be a better person ngaphandle nakubosisi.